Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. This video channel is at smarturl.it/pass actuarial exams. Here you have information about online seminars and study manuals for exams PFM, IFM, and LTAM that I offer. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help-ISU actuary. Here's a problem for today for exam P on probability. The joint probability density for x and y is 2 times e to the minus x plus 2y quantity for x positive and y positive and 0 otherwise. Calculate the variance of y given that x is more than 3 and y is more than 3. And here's the solution. So the region where the joint density is positive is the first quadrant. And so it is of the form of a rectangle with sides parallel to the axis. Additionally, when positive, the density equals 2 times e to the minus x plus 2y, the quantity x plus 2y with a minus in front of it. And that's equal to e to the minus x times 2 times e to the minus 2y, so that the joint density is the product of a density of x, which is exponential with hazard rate 1, and y, which is exponential with hazard rate 2, on a rectangle with sides parallel to the axis. This tells us that x and y are independent, and independence of x and y tells us that the variance of y is not affected by the event x being more than 3. Therefore, the variance of y given that x is more than 3 and y is more than 3 is equal to the variance of y given that y is more than 3. But the memoryless property of the exponential distribution tells us that y and y minus 3 given that y is more than 3 have the same distribution. Note, however, that y given that y is more than 3 is equal to 3 plus y minus 3 given that y is more than 3, so that the variance of y given that y is more than 3 is equal to the variance of y minus 3 given that y is more than 3, because, of course, 3 has 0 variance and 0 covariance with anything. But that variance of y minus 3 given that y is more than 3 is equal to variance of y because of the memoryless property. This implies that the variance of y given that x is more than 3 and y is more than 3 is equal to the variance of y given that y is more than 3, and that's equal to variance of y. And what is the variance of y? Well, the hazard rate of y is 2, so that the mean is 1/2. And the variance of exponential distribution is the square of its mean, so it's a square of 1/2, or 1 over 2 squared, and that's 0.25. And that's answer A. Please remember that this is copyrighted material. The problem itself belongs to the Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.